The Hindu for aspirants. Today's important articles for UPSC. Let's start. This article talks about ICJ, International Court of Justice, which gives opinion on climate change. What is ICJ? It is organization composed of 15 judges elected by UNGA and UNSC members. It gives opinion on the international organization and treaty. It is but advisory in nature. In this article, it gives opinion on climate change. First, it gives opinion on favor of global south countries by talking about the principle of CBDR and RC, which affirms that developed countries have more responsibility than developing and least developed countries for the implementation of climate change treaties. It is good for India and other global south countries. But the second point, the countries are not obligating the Article 2.1 of the Paris Agreement. To conclude, we can say the opinion of the ICJ are welcome with respect to Paris Agreement, but still the opinion is advisory to developed nation. As India is increasing its airspace capabilities, DRDO successfully conducts its parallel missile test, and now it is important for the prelims. It is a surface-to-surface a short range ballistic missile. ये अपना path mid air में भी change कर सकती है, and it can even be launched by a mobile launcher. See the other technical details for the prelims. Operation Mahadev conducted in Lidwas area of Jammu and Kashmir. This operation was conducted by Indian Army, CRPF, Jammu and Kashmir Police and information from the IB. They neutralized 3 terrorists belonging to Lashkar-e-Taiba. This article talks about the tiger density. As the report said, Kaziranga of Assam recorded the third highest tiger density. It is after the Bandipur and the Corbett National Park. Remember this sequence for your prelims. Another news on environment itself, as the world's smallest snake, Barbados, spotted after the 2 decades and currently it is critically endangered.